Hey everybody, this is David with Coach.Fm, and we are back in the mix. Welcome to Project Micro Studio, presented by Coach.Fm. Today we have Summer in the house. Summer sent us a message and she's like, hey, can you help us out? And I'm like, yes, I can. And she found us on Facebook, and I guess this is what we're going to do. We're going to take it slow, do it right, and do a real deal. So, for all of you new to the mix, so check this out. All right, Summer. So we want to get you up and running. And first things first, I got to get you a code because it looks like we were trying to do something on. For those of you following, follow along. Just go ahead and type a one.coach.fm. Okay, Micro Studio Coach, what is it? It is your army knife, guys. It's an army knife. What does that mean? That means that keep using whatever you're using. If you got something and you like it, keep using it. This is your backup. This is your practice. This is your outsource to somebody else, have them do work for you, post some data back to you, and then you can keep using whatever you're using. Because sharing your password with people is not safe. Um, and hiring virtual assistants all around the world is tough. So we want to make that kind of simple. We want to keep it simple. So while that's downloading, we're going to go head over to Coach.fm and Micro Studio to get Summer set up. So go ahead and go to Micro Studio, open a brand new tab, and let's go to Micro Studio. And let's go ahead and do the normal. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Apply for a Vendor Account. There you go. And then new customer. Okay, cool. Now let's go ahead and get your business started. Now, Summer has never started a company ever before, right? And what I'm going to do on Coach.fm is I am going to make sure that Summer can focus on what she likes to do. And the stuff that Summer doesn't like to do, we'll find somebody else to help out, some virtual assistants. On the next video, we're going to start Summer's database. We're going to start Summer's website. And we're going to get doggy stuff up and running. If you guys get stuck, if there's anything wrong with what you're doing, if something freezes, whatever happens, hit us up and we'll get you up and running. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next one.